Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we are going to see that we are going to use the STS tool to run the Spring Boot project. So we need that STS tool, Spring Tool Shoot, and we have to install the JDK and we have to set the path. Okay. So we will see how to install that STS and how to install JDK and how to set the path. Okay. Now let's start. So for that, you have to open the Chrome browser and then you have to write install STS, then click enter, and you will get this link Spring Tool for Visual Studio Code. Then click here, then go down. Then you can see here if you have a MacBook, so you can take this one. If you have a Windows, so you can take this one. I have a Windows, so I am clicking here. After clicking here, I now you can see that its download has been started, but I have already installed that STS, so I have no need to install. It is totally around 562 MB. You can download in your system. After that, you have to install. Okay. After the installing the after the download this STS setup, then you can install the after just you have to click double click and next. After that, it will be installed in your system. Okay. Then you have to click here. Then you have to install JDK. Okay. JDK. JDK provide the environment to run your that project. So you can see here you have to click Java download Oracle India, then go down and here you can see that window and you can click here. Okay, that after that it will be download in your system. Then you can install that JDK also, and I will provide the link that how to set the path. That means first you have to install the STS, then you can install the JDK, then you can set the path. Then how to set the path, I will provide the link in the description box. Okay, then I want to tell that you can install the STS in your C drive, E drive, F drive, wherever you want to install. You can install. I install that STS. After installing the STS, it will look like this. You can see that STS 4.15 version I installed, and after the installing, it will create one folder wherever you will install that STS. So I installed in C drive, so it's create the folder in C drive. After that, you can click here and you can check like that. So STS is looking here. After clicking double click on this STS, you will get like that. Okay, I already opened a lot of uh, classes, so I will just close it. So you can see that I already created a lot of projects, so it's showing like that. After the installing and whenever you will open, so it will look like that. Okay, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. In next video we will see how to create a Maven project. Okay, thank you.